Hey, today I'm going to talk about how and why to apply a torque stripe or a marking paste to your fasteners. So if you walk around a bike, one of the first things you're going to see when you start paying attention is all these little marks right here. These are torque stripes or index marks, and their purpose is to show you at a quick glance during your pre-ride inspection or when you're doing maintenance whether or not these fasteners have changed position, either through the vibration of the machine itself or through somebody messing with your bike or somebody putting it back together incorrectly. So what we want to do is keep an eye on these. Every time we do a pre-ride inspection, we see if any of them are out of alignment. And we can also create our own whenever we do our own maintenance. I've applied some parts recently, so I'm going to go check the torque again and then apply a stripe. And I'm also going to check a couple of things that I've learned that on the Moto Guzzi V85 TT have a tendency to shake loose. Those include the bottom of this skid plate down here. There are some bolts down here we're going to want to check. And then oddly enough, this little, they call this the lumbar pad. Underneath there are two fasteners here that just tend to shake loose as well. So we will retorque those to spec, and then I'm going to apply this marking paste. Now I use this Type E security paste. This is the best marking paste you can get. Not only does it show you immediately if a stripe has been broken, but it's also impossible to fake. Type E actually has DNA in it that can be scanned with a scanner that you can pick up. So in the more serious manufacturing sectors, like in airlines or something like that, they can scan for counterfeit parts. And then this one also has UV, so you could just pass a normal UV light over it and see your torque stripes were all applied by you, and nobody's messed with your bike. So once you've got your fasteners the way you want them, and you can get the specs from the service station manual. I like to apply this with a brush just so I can do a very fine line, but you can apply it directly from the nozzle on the tube. And as you can see, it's real tacky, and so you're going to want to just apply it and then draw your brush away kind of quickly. So now you've got a little stripe here, and you can do another one on the other side or something like that. And the way this works, it's tacky right now, but it's going to dry kind of brittle. And then if that bolt shakes loose at all, the paint will kind of crack and crumble, and you'll be able to spot right away that, this line doesn't line up with this one, and you either need to tighten it or otherwise run another inspection. So I'll include a link in the description to this Type E paste if you really want to get the good stuff. But this makes your pre-ride inspections way easier. If you're checking your fasteners just by looking for broken lines, it's real easy to just see that all your bolts are just how you want them. Thanks for watching.